What's going on, everyone? Phil, 33 Mile Bees. Want to bring you along for this one. I've got some double deeps right now that I want to move the queen excluder down, and so that way all the brood that's in the top box can emerge, and then we'll start backfilling with nectar, get that all cured into honey. I'm running out of honey supers. I use all mediums for honey supers, but because I'm running out, and I should preface, I do have more boxes, I do have more frames. I'm just not going to try and build anymore for this year. I already built enough new ones for this year, but so I'm going to try and utilize moving the queen excluder down, shake all the bees down, and let them fill a few of these deep boxes up with nectar and cure it into honey. Try and utilize it that way, and it also helps get things down, so I can work on getting down to single deeps for the winter. But yeah, so the ones that need a box, I am doing that too. I got a few of them done already, and just wanted to do this one along with you guys. You can just leave the lid on here. It is full. They do need another box, so that'll help give more room. Holy cow. All right, so one being super off. It is extremely heavy. This one off. All right, so now what I need to do is put in our deep box. Just to be able to put frames in. Got this old one here. Eventually, some of these boxes that are rotten, I'm going to cut them down and make them in the mediums or shallows. But that's for another day. Alright, scooter off here. Now, doing it this way, I'm not really looking for the queen. If I happen to see her, it'll just make things a lot easier. But it's not critical to find her. Oh. So let's see. That side. This has got brood. Just doing pretty good though. So, get that one out of the way. And that leaves me a spot where I can just take a quick look. So it's not critical that I find her, but if I do, make things go a lot easier. cover up the brood that's up there, take care of them, and then as they emerge out, then they will backfill it, and I can harvest all the honey. Some of these frames are on the outside. Well, I'll just take a chance on it that she's not walking around on a honey frame. Back on. And reverse the process. Everything all back together. Make room. More honey harvest. Nurse bees will all come right back up and cover up the brood so that way it'll emerge fine. So, just one of the ways that I do to get more honey out of a hive. And I got probably about 20 more of these to do. We'll get something to drink. Here in Michigan, it is, like I said, high to mid 80s. I think the humidity is 70-some%, and up here we're not used to it. So put this one back together and carry on to the next one. All right, catch you all later.